There is one doctor from Dr. Padala Gautami. I would request 3 quick answers from Subhash Khanna sir, Dalvi sir, and Chairman sir. Sir, in COVID positive patients or suspected patients, in cancer patients, sir, what are the precautions we should take for planning for a neoadjuvant chemo RT as a healthcare worker? Khanna sir.
Can you repeat the question once again?
Sir, they want to know in a COVID positive patient suffering from cancer, if the patient is decided on MDT for a neoadjuvant chemo RT, will take precautions or is the same standard which is applicable for a cancer patient also?
No, these patients are immunologically weak. So definitely we will take special precautions in these patients if they come to a healthcare facility for any further management. Cancer becomes a semi-emergency. It's neither an immediate or not an urgent surgery. But if they come for surgical therapy, we will analyze this patient and try to postpone the surgery if it can be done, particularly. But then management of these patients depends on a multimodality. So the whole team or the whole, we call it a disease management group, DMG team, sits together and plans. If the surgery of this patient can be postponed, we postpone the surgery for the time being, provided he can be postponed by chemoradiotherapy. If not, then only we take up this patient. But if we take up these patients are immunologically weak. If they are already on chemotherapy, they take all special precautions so that they are kept isolated they're not kept in ICUs where the other infected patient might be there. We keep them in isolation and take all special precautionary measures.
Dalvi sir, I'm going to put you in a different scenario. Patient is already on neoadjuvant therapy, due for getting operated. So what will be the care plan? You'll be, say for instance, we have a carcinoma rectum or a CA breast which is being downstage. Because 3 months before, when the people said no surgery, only alternative therapy for cancer, they have got adequately downstage. It is 3 months down. They will be due for their operation. What is the care plan you have for these patients, sir?
No, and the patient is COVID positive, you mean?
Yes, sir.
Let's be very clear. Ministry of Health has clear-cut guidelines, no elective surgery. Number 2, electively emergent. Now, this is the surgery which the cancer surgeons or the oncosurgeons are revolving around to decide. I can only tell you from my colleagues at Tata Memorial Center, which is one of the biggest centers treating cancer patients in India, that they do only emergency surgery. That means a CA rectum with obstruction, they will do colostomy, put the patient on neoadjuvant. So they do not do curative or resectable surgeries at all on COVID positive patients. They are very clear in their ideas. But that the news has spread that Tata Memorial is operating on cancer patients is giving some sort of leeway for other oncosurgeons possibly whose hands are itching to operate. That's all I can tell you. I think in this era where there is a positive patient, and the patient is immunocompromised with neoadjuvant chemotherapy, are likely to die more as compared to the other patients. So one has to be slow. Ultimately, cancer patient is going to die. It's not going to increase the quality of life or survival, etc. My personal opinion, looking at Tata Hospital, minimum possible for the quality of life for this period should be given to the patient. Quantity of life can come later. That's the way I'm looking at